Hi Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June 24 to June the 27. So Gemini, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Para po sa mga gusto ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayo dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience at nagla-live din po tayo doon. So kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. So I want you to know, Gemini, is that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin, Gemini. So ang nakikita ko dito, parang kahit na sobrang layo ninyo, no, sobrang magkahiwalay kayo, there are distance in here. The distance may be, nasa kabilang barangay, nasa kabilang barrio, no? Or the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Mahal na mahal ka pa rin ng taong ito. Nandito pa nga siya sa part na naguguluhan po siya, no? Naguguluhan siya na gusto ko nang umuwi, gusto ko nang makita si Gemini, no? Kumbaga nagsisisi siya bakit din ako nakapag-decision na lumayo, no, na magkaroon ng let's say ilayo ng physical yung sarili ko, no. Ngayon parang either nagkakaroon siya ng homesick or naho-homesick siya or talagang sobrang miss na miss ka. Ngayon itong separations na ito siguro naging lessons, no, sa kanya para masabi niya sa sarili niya na ganun pala kaimportante, no, yung or ganoon kahalaga yung presence ni Gemini sa buhay ko, no. Nakakita ko dito na para akong nalilito, para akong nababaliw, no, balisa ako kapag hindi ko siya nakikita, pag hindi ko nakakausap, no. With the Seven of Wands clarified by the Five of Coins and the Knight of Wands. For a few numbers of you, I feel like, the separations may also be not distance or a combination of distance and energetic. Energetic, sabihin natin, nakikita nga kayo, hindi naman kayo nag-uusap, naka-block, no, galit ka, tinatarayan mo, to a point na hindi mo pinapansin, no? I feel like, sabihin na natin, this move is sort of, sabihin natin, yes, nadala ako ng aking emosyon. That's why I also have this attitude towards my person. Pero, deep inside, sabihin na natin din, I'm missing the person somehow, no? Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles, clarified by the Two of Pentacles and the Emperor. So, ang nakikita ko dito, parang tinitikis mo lang din itong person na ito. Sabihin natin, the reason bakit hindi ko siya pinapansin is because gusto ko siyang matuto ng lesson, no? Kasi in the first place, hindi naman ako gagawa ng hindi naman ako gagawa ng isang decision, no? Kung walang dahilan. So ibig sabihin hindi naman ako baliw, no? Kung nagagawa ako ng isang decision na hindi ko siya papansinin, no? Kasi meron akong pinaghuhugutan. So, with the Five of Cups and the Judgment, I am seeing here, chances are, sinisisi mo si person. And alam din naman niya, no, na ako yung dapat sisihin. With the Judgment in here, ang laking panghihinayang kasi umabot pa kayo sa isang ganitong separations. Again, whether it is physical or energetic. The Knight of Swords and the Three of Pentacles. What I am seeing in here, Gemini, is sabihin natin na nagkaroon talaga siya ng realization na hindi ko dapat ginawa ang mga bagay, hindi ako dapat either nagloko, hindi dapat ako humiwalay, kung ano man itong naging reason, I think it's very clear to your person na dapat hindi niya ginawa or hindi siya no nag-initiate. With the 10 of Cups, the 9 of Coins, and the Temperance. What I am also seeing in here, Gemini, is magta-try itong person na itong mag-reach out muli sa'yo. So, what I am seeing is, yes, you're gonna feel the chase. You're going to feel that your person is exerting effort, no? Either para mabuo kayo muli, para magkabati kayo. And I feel like gagawin naman nito ang lahat to make you happy. Especially if you give this person a chance, if you already open the door for the person, no? Let's get some more cards here with the 10 of Wands and the 8 of Wands. I feel like there is issues when it comes to communication in here. No, yung iba talaga siguro naka-blocked, no? So, if you're going to allow the person to communicate with you, parang magkakaroon talaga ikaw also ng clarity, no? I think what needs to happen in here is sabihin natin, explanation, no? The clarity will be given once you already have the chance to have a conversation with the person. With the 4 of Swords and the Ace of Swords, so I feel like siguro pinapakalma mo na lang din yung sarili mo, no? And I feel like the conversation is going to happen very soon. And gusto kong sabihin sa iyo, Gemini, is talagang nagsisisi naman itong taong ito when it comes to the decision making nga, no, na ginawa niya. And this person wanted to have a reconciliation and make this connection work for the better. No? So this is your reading for now, Gemini. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing here Taurus. I am also seeing Leo, no? Virgo, Sagittarius. I'm seeing Capricorn. I am seeing Aries, Pisces. What else? I'm also seeing Cancer. So this is your reading, Gemini. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live din po tayo doon. Pero kung hindi niyo po maabutan itong live sessions, no, pwede po kayong magtanong sa comment section sa YouTube po, hindi sa TikTok, sa YouTube. As long as the question is answerable by yes or no, no? So, kung feeling niyo naman hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po ng video sa YouTube, meron po dong link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website or web page. There's the information, no? Nandun po yung amount, how many questions, and I have a promotional discount of 4 questions plus 1. And if you also want to avail the private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. Again, Gemini, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste and see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Gemini.